E kinde mang'anyo ma lakteche pod dhi nyime, jotuo man gi tuo mar remo kata sickle cell anemia ni koda pek e yudo yedhe. Jotuo oko nigi kale matek mokalo kendo thothgi koro tiyo gi omenda mathoth e manyo yedhe kowuok e ute mag thieth mag ji giwegi. Gikwayo piny owacho mondo ber chenro mag thieth kamoriwo thieth ka itiyo kod okumba mar thieth ma gikonyore godo e kinde ka kinde.
The drugs, especially for the non-communicable diseases, you find that these diseases are conditions that people live with them throughout their lives, so they'll need medication all through. And it becomes a challenge if somebody has to buy, let's say for example, when I wake up, just to break down for you, I spend 200 shillings when I wake up. When I get out of bed, I take 3 capsules of hydroxyurea. You find one is retailing at 50 bob or 45 bob. Then there's paludrin, then folic acid. I've already hit 200, and I'm not working as I am. You'll find a mother in the village. She has 6 children suffering from sickle cell. She needs to provide drugs for all of them, and these drugs are this expensive. It becomes a very big challenge.
We are advocating for the county to prioritize NCDs and have investments that are very specific to NCDs. Yeah, the counties really need to interrogate their plans and their budgets and have very specific budgetary allocations on issues of NCDs.
Sirikal kokalo migawo mochung'ne mwandu mawuok